This, my friends, is a reissue of one of my favorite all-time RC cars. It's a lunchbox, guys. This is what they call a CW-01 chassis. The model number on this one, 58347. And I got this from Tower Hobbies. I paid around 130 bucks for it with free shipping. The original number is 58063, I believe, for the original one. I typically would buy original, except that the original costs about as much as the new one. The ones I've seen on eBay, or even on some of the sites, and some even more than that, just with a radio in it. So I was like, that's crazy. I'm not going to pay $100 or $115 for a used one, or even $80 for a used one that's beat up. I'm just going to buy a new one for 130 bucks and have it shipped to me. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right. We're going to be doing a lunchbox because what I want to do is a special Halloween episode. And I need to get it started so then that way we can have that reveal. And we can also have the run review on Halloween. If you go back, you'll see my Halloween episode. It was the Maru Big Bear turned Christine, evil Christine truck. If you don't know what Christine is, it's the killer car that Stephen King made a book about and John Carpenter made a movie in. I think that was around '83. Funny thing is, that movie was around in '84 as well. The truck that I made and turned it into a Christine was a Maru Big Bear. That was released in '84. So, just a little bit of trivia. Let's go ahead and show you guys. That's her. It's so crazy that these things are still expensive used. People want an arm and a leg for them. Makes no sense to me, but that's what it is. This one is also has an ESC in it, so which is good. I will say that is a big bonus to getting this one versus a used one that's $100, because the used ones, a lot of the vintage ones have the 3-speed MSCs. Those aren't very well. Especially years later, they're going to be corroded. So I want an original, but I'm not going to kill myself to pay big money for a used beat up one. If it was a really nice one in good shape, I could see paying a bunch of money, or a used one in rough shape for around 50 bucks. That's a different story. I definitely would have bought that, but these things just don't go down in price as much. So let's go ahead and open this one. So, I mean, pretty cheap price for, one of these things. 130 bucks with free shipping. So, not bad. Let's go ahead and open her up. All right, so this is what you get in it. So, if you don't have a lunchbox, you need to get one, guys. These are fun, they're easy to build. These were released in '87, originally. So, real soft tires. I just want to get this thing going. Now, my plan is to turn it into a movie truck or a movie car, an evil one or something like that. So I decided to go with the Scooby-Doo van, the mystery van. And I got the decals for it and everything. So, move that over here. And here are some decals that I only paid like 13 bucks for them because they're missing a couple stickers on them. So, not bad. That definitely worked pretty cool. And we got some other things that's going to go on it. We got a little top cage, a carrier rack that's going to go on the top. That's going to be cool. It's going to have the lights and stuff on it. And what is this? I forget what this is. Let's go ahead and open it up. I can't even remember what I ordered sometimes. What is this one? Oh, Then I have this light. I'm gonna use these lights or not, but I got them anyways. So, came from China. Maybe I'll use that for something else, I don't know. So, I got my paint ready. I'm gonna use what they call Seaside to paint the van in. It should be a pretty good color. Can't wait to get this one all done up. So, if you like these kinds of little videos where I do like scary theme kind of thing, I had done one last Halloween. We're going to reveal this one all done up on Halloween. So, we got our stickers, we got our storage rack, I got a light bar. I think I pretty much got what I need to do. Got to paint the van, I got to paint the rims. Probably gonna go with an orange or something like that. And it should be pretty easy. These aren't very complicated trucks to build. Alrighty guys, I want to thank you for watching my videos. Please hit a like. I would love it if you subscribe. You're not going to want to miss this one. That's for sure. Stay tuned for part 2. Bye guys.